Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2008 Mazda 6 Classic Hatch, stock reference number 5409. This shape runs from the 2nd month 2008 through to the 11th month 2012. It has an L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, left power door mirror has some scratches on the outside case, left front door has 2 small dents, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right hand side skirt, both right hand doors appear to have no damage, right power door mirror, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type center console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, climate control, heater control, 6-stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.